Making adjustments to the comb. Using the appropriate hex wrench, loosen the screws on the side of the comb so the cheek piece can slide up and free of the buttstock. Next, turn the lock nut counterclockwise using the Allen key if necessary, as shown. Then turn the block clockwise to raise the comb or counterclockwise to lower the comb for both post assemblies. Making sure that the blocks are oriented with the flat surfaces parallel with each other and perpendicular to the stock, turn the lock nut so that it becomes in contact with the underside of the block to lock it. If you wish to adjust the cast, you can do this now by loosening the fixing bolts in the post with the hex key. Then, move the post to the left or to the right until it is in the desired position. Then, retighten the bolts. Next, refit the cheek piece back onto the buttstock by sliding it down on the support post. And finally, using the appropriate hex wrench, retighten the lock screws. Tighten them firmly, taking care not to strip them. At this point, you've successfully adjusted the comb. For more information on care and performance of your Fabarm shotgun, visit us now at fabarmusa.com.